I am going to present you integration. So this tool allows you to standardize your document based on customized rules. You'll also be able to check the validity of a set of SOLIDWORKS documents and to draw up an anomaly report and make any necessary modification if needed. We are going to see that we can apply conditions and operations to our assemblies, parts, and drawing. So we are just going to see how it works together. So here I've just added my active documents, but you can also take and add documents from the Twitter experience or look for folders if needed. So here, as you can see, I have my parts, assemblies, and drawings. And now what we're going to do is that we are going to add condition and operation to each one of them. First, here you have the modification criteria. And here you'll have samples. So we're just going to open it to see how it looks. As you can see here, you have some examples that you can use. What we're going to do is that we're going to export all drawings in PDF. So you will find it right here. So as you can see, my condition is if the document is a drawing, then we're exporting the files into a PDF format. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to find a location to export files. So we're going to go into this one right now. After that, what we're going to do is that we can add another action to this. So we are going to add one for our assemblies. So we're just going to name it assemblies. And we're going to look here into the document condition. And we're going to look for if the document is an assemblies. So we're going to take this one and put it here. And then we are going to find an operation that is specifically for the assembly. So here, and we're going to export it into a step format. So we're going here and we are going into step, and same as the drawing, we are going to find this file. And then what we want to do is we want to add something for our part. So what I'm trying to show you is that no matter what you want to do, you can always look into integration. If you want to do something like bulk exports, or if you want to do bulk actions to standardize EU documents. So here for the part, what we're going to do is that we're going to go with if the document is a part, and we're going to select it and put it here. And we're going to change the color of a part. So if the document is a part, then you're changing the color and you can select the color value you want. You can also have personalized colors if needed. So we are going to go just so you can see it change with green. And as you can see right now, my part is gray. So what you need to understand is that with these tools, you can put as much as condition as operation that follows each other. So you can really bulk it. Once you are done with what you want to do and how you want to standardize your document, you can save it. So next time you won't have to do anything like over and over again. So you can save your selection to go to the previous one if needed. Then you'll have some options. You can put a naming rule right here. You can also choose the location. You can also find options for the configuration if needed. We're going to go back on manage properties and we're going to apply what we did. So as you can see now, my parrot is green as I asked integration to do so. And here I have in my project file my drawings that are in PDF, and here my two assemblies that are in step. So do not hesitate to use integration, especially if you have to standardized documents based on customized rules. You will win much time, and you'll really be able to create customized reports. And obviously, I forgot to tell, but if you have a PDM vault, you can connect them with each other.